If you're a first-time home buyer or you just haven't bought a home in a while, then this video is for you. My name's Phil Wells. I'm a real estate agent serving clients in and around Spokane. I also have a network of top agents in North Idaho who can help you there too. Today I'm going to share with you the 5 simple steps that I share with all my clients who are in the initial stages of buying a home. Let's get on with the video. The first thing to do is to save for a down payment. Saving for a down payment may take a while and it might be a little bit frustrating to continue to rent or to continue to live with family while you get that down payment together. However, for most buyers, this is an essential step in the process. For a conventional loan, the down payment that you're going to need is around 20% of the purchase price, although some lenders will do it for less and some lenders may even require more. There are also different types of loans out there, such as the VA loan and the FHA loan, which require 0 and 3.5% down. So it's important to find out whether you qualify for these loans ahead of time, because you could save a lot of time if you do. The second thing you're going to want to do is to check your credit score. It's no secret that a good credit score is essential when it comes to buying a home. If you want to qualify for a mortgage and you want a good rate on that mortgage, then you're going to need a good credit score. Begin to nurture your credit score as early as possible. There are a ton of free resources out there to help you with your credit, such as creditkarma.com. If there are areas in your credit that you need to address, it's good to know about these as early as possible. You don't want to spend 2 years saving for a down payment only to find out that you should have opened a credit card 2 years ago to help raise your credit score, or you should have been focusing on paying off debt instead. The third thing you should do is determine your budget. Knowing your budget early on will really help in the home buying process. There are a ton of resources out there online where you can enter your income and your expenses and get a ballpark figure for what you can afford. This is a great way to work out what kind of down payment you should be saving for ahead of time. The only true way though to determine your budget is to speak to a lender. Now, a lender doesn't just run your credit and process a loan. A lender is a financial expert who can guide you through the process and even help you get your credit on track. The fourth thing to do is to compare lenders. Not all lenders are created equal. Like car loans, different lenders will provide different incentives to different customers. So for example, if you're a first-time home buyer, you're a veteran, you're a frontline worker, then you may find a lender that offers you incentives for these things. Also, the bank that you have your credit cards with or your bank accounts with may offer you an incentive to stay with them. Don't just think about the big institutions either. Some of the best lenders that I recommend to my clients work for small and regional companies that you'll probably never have heard of. The final thing you want to do is to find a great agent to represent your best interests during the buying process. Contacting a great agent early on in the process will help you understand the entire process early and get you to where you need to be faster. Your agent will be your primary advisor and the person that you deal with most frequently during the home buying process. So it's important to find someone that can not only answer the questions when you need them answered, but also someone that you get along well with. A buyer's agent is paid for at closing by the seller, so it costs you nothing to be represented during the buying process. So please don't make the mistake of calling the agent that's selling the home. They're already representing the seller's best interests. There you have it, 5 simple things to get you started with the home buying process. Taking the time early on to get all your ducks in a row will help you begin house hunting with confidence, knowing that you have all your financing sorted and that you're working with a great agent who's representing your best interests. Like I said, my name is Phil Wells. I'm a real estate agent in Spokane. If you or anyone you know is looking at moving to Spokane and buying a home, then please reach out to me to get the ball rolling. Until the next video, thanks for watching.